Hello children, today we are going to learn digraph O and W so that we can read and write more words on our own. A digraph is when two letters work together to make one sound. Letter O on its own makes the sound O. Letter W on its own makes the sound W. Together they make one sound OW. OW, like in owl. Again, O and W make the sound O, like in snow. O, like in slow. So when you see O and W, remember they make the sound ow or the sound O. Alright? Let's have a go at reading words that have ow sound in them. Remember, we sound out first and then blend to be able to read the word. Okay? Sounding out. Ow. Now let's blend the slow way. Owl. Faster way. Owl. Owl. The word is owl. Let's have a go with another word. Sounding out. Ow. Now let's blend the slow way. Clown. Faster way. Clown. Clown. I saw a clown.